Hello everyone, it's Neil's Will here. What I'm showing you is an Ecopra copy. I've copied a French company, Ecopra. They sell these kits. I've managed to badge one together a little bit. The float, if you tilt your head slightly and look at that float chamber and the line through it, that's basically the water level. There's a water feed what goes to that, and one of them, which is original to it's a plumbing fitting, a pressure vent fitting. It's got a float in it. The black bit is I've drilled through another. I think that's an airline fitting, what pressurizes with the back of that preheating bit, and it basically goes from there. Some of the exhaust gets fed into that preheating unit, recirculates constantly, which is a good thing. Squeeze a bit more burn out of that fuel what we're wasting, but they want us to throw catalytic converters onto at the moment, bastards. Yeah, it goes to the lower part of that picture. The steam goes through, and it's just a pipe in a pipe. A couple of times it goes in just to enable it to get hot enough, which then goes up to the air intake. Basically, steam goes in, goes through the pipes and pipes up to the air intake, and just goes in with the air into the combustion chamber, and it burns. With the hydrogen is released from the water at that temperature, and it helps flush the chamber and burn everything. This is just another view of that, showing you the Venturi, which is great find from the scrapyard, funny enough, as was most of the metal. I've decided to take the exhaust off and do it. Seemed a lot easier to me. Showing the cutout and the gun, a few of my tools. The flexi pipes there, it's quite expensive stuff for stainless. It's about £20 a metre, with a fitting on each end stainless. It works out to £40 a metre, and I got lucky up the scrappers. It's just gummed in, the exhaust stuff, and strapped down. It doesn't leak. Seems to be working all right for now. You can see my EGR valve capped off, and the Venturi was bashed on there the wrong way round. There's a bit of an oil leak coming out of that out the cam, which I've got a spare cam gasket. I'm just gonna get some Ultrasol polish and polish the cam up while I take it off. Might as well just maybe it won't leak then, we never know. I'm gonna love and leave you all for now, and hope to see you over on the Scarecrow show. Hope you're all doing well, especially you, Russ and Zero and Gary and everyone over there, Tippy, all of you lot, and not forgetting Hawk over there in Ireland. Hope you're all doing well. I'll get a bit more time and do better video when I find my camera. I've just realised I can do a slideshow lectures with Windows Movie Maker, which I've had on my computer since I've owned it, and just realised that I can actually do it. I've worked it out. Oh, well, I won't be exposing you to too many of these things. Got a few other ideas. I'll post a few more videos. I'll speak to you all soon. Ta-ra for now. Basically, Venturi's on there, but the wrong way round. The EGR valve I've removed, and you can see the cap on the exhaust manifold. What I'm going to attempt to do, it's an old engine, it doesn't have a computer. I'm going to move the EGR valve near the back in front of the tiny catalytic converter. It's an Eberspacer catalytic converter on these Mercedes Sprinters and the old ones, and I'm going to attempt to fit that and feed water in. When the engine is actually asking for an EGR, it's going to be squirting a bit of water or vapour in to the catalytic converter, hopefully to shift and dissolve some of the rubbish left over, if any. You see just on the bottom right there, that's me fuel filter. I've managed to modify it slightly and put a coil of copper around it, which isn't that difficult. If you've got an old spare fuel filter to wrap it around. I just haven't plumbed it into the coolant system yet, which shouldn't be too difficult. And right, just for now, I'm gonna